Guys, I've been hearing, like, I've been going around YouTube and I've been seeing a lot of videos saying YouTube are giving views, like YouTube are helping new YouTubers to gain views. Like I said, they're just like, to me, I disagree and I agree. Okay, like posting your video, your original content, like your video, your good video, quality video out there will give you views. Of course, YouTube will push it. What I notice in those YouTube of a thing is that when you post a video, when one, two, three people, when they push the video harder, one like 10 people click the video, it would make YouTube to push that video more, because I can attest to that. My other videos that are there are not having views, are not having enough views. Not like they don't have views, but they will have like 20 views, 15 views, 10 views, 30 views. But I posted one video of my daughter. If you go to my channel, you will see it. I'm not saying something like I don't know, I'm not saying something, I'm saying my reality, my truth here. I'm not saying something to like make you people to come and watch me. No, like if you go to my channel, you'll see one of my lifestyle video that I did, like my daughter having her hair done for Christmas period. That video gained a lot of views. It was just 3 minutes video. It was not that long, and it gained a lot of views. And I was asking, what did I do in that video that I did not do in the rest? I went to look at the analytics. It's not like I did something different. I didn't do something different. And I saw that, oh, the first 1 hour, a lot of people click it and watch the video because it was just kind of short. It was not that long. A lot of people just click it and watch it. I think about 5 people click it and watch it, read time watching. So I believe that was what prompts YouTube to push that video the more, to gain more visibilities. So if you create good content, of course, when people clicked it and you see people watch it, YouTube will push that video and say, okay, that video is doing well. A lot of people do like that video. So this is the type of video that people will love watching. So they'll push it more for more visibility. So that is what I feel. It's not like people are just, and good title that will make people to say, okay, this is what like I want to watch. Okay, so it's not like the way they are just exaggerating in saying, don't mind my lips, huh? My lips is peed this period. I think I'm having problem. I don't know. I think I want to get sick. I'm feeling inside me, so my lips will start peeling. So please, guys, don't mind my lips, eh? This night I'm about to sleep. I just decided to do this video. Okay, so please, before I go more further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be bringing a lot of things, like how on my way to monetization, I'm going to be telling you guys what I made, the mistake I made, and the mistake I did not make, like what I did and what I did not do, the pros and cons. I'm going to be bringing it out there. So like I said, if you post good video, it will work for you. It will work for you. So those exaggerated that, oh, YouTube is on easy mode, they are pushing content. Yes, they are pushing it, because I can testify that when I go through my feed, I see a lot of good videos, like from new YouTubers, but at the same time, it's still done on the criteria that if your video are not quality, if your video are not good and don't have enough click, they won't push it out. If people did not click it, like if they say, I did one shot, okay, example, I did one shot, a lot of people swipe away, YouTube stopped pushing that shot out. Like it just stopped. The recommendation, that is the reach, just stopped at, I think 75. The reach just stopped there. So I started saying, okay, because 86% swipe away and like 20% or 15% or 16% watch the video. So that is what I'm saying. So it all falls down to those things. So don't just think that when you just post any video, YouTube will start generating views, start having 1,000 views. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. You still see some people strongly with one view. You still see them strongly. Okay, so I'll end this year. On my next video, we are going to talk about like the things, the pros and cons about YouTube, okay? And I'm going to be doing more of that also. Okay, so those of you that are new here that don't know me, my name is Princess. Welcome to Mums and Jenny Lifestyle Educational YouTube. We talk about educational things here, and we do a lot of lifestyle storytelling, a lot of things, entertainment, name it. Okay. I don't use my life as an inspiration to others out there. Like one of the things, when you watch my video, you must have one or two knowledge from inside. Whether it's my lifestyle video, you will pick one thing or the other. I don't just bring video like up. I do bring values to other. My values is to reach more moms out there, for to educate them on some certain type of things that they don't know, and to also tell them that they are not the only one passing through the struggle that they are passing through, that we has here, we are also passing through it. And also to let you know about my life as a black girl living in Italy, what are my struggles, for you to also learn one or two things, okay? And to change some perspective things out there in the world. Okay, thank you very much for my 83 subscribers. I love you all so much. I appreciate you all. Like this journey to monetization, we will all get there. So hang it there and don't give up. Okay, bye.